Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys keyboard problem solve setting. How to solve keyboard problem, how to fix keyboard hanging in lag problem in Lava mobile. Friends, you have keyboard problem in your Lava mobile. So friends, how to fix keyboard problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your Lava phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, in your Lava mobile, open your phone, search option setting, and when search your app setting, and when open your phone app setting, friends click here app setting. Where is app setting? Friends click here app setting. After app setting friends, click here see all app setting. After see all app setting friends, scroll again, and friends click here phone Gboard setting. After on Gboard setting friends, you can use Gboard notification setting. If you click here, so you can off and you can on Gboard notification in your Lava mobile. Friends click here storage setting. Friends click here clear storage option and OK option. After clear storage, come back. Friends, now again open your phone keyboard setting, and friends your photo will remove from your keyboard. And friends, if you click here three dots, so guys first of all click here OK option and set your keyboard setting. Friends, you want to use keyboard one hand mode setting, you can use keyboard one hand mode. And friends, you want to use keyboard floating keyboard, so you can use floating keyboard. And friends, you want to add any theme again, you want to use your custom photos and you want to use your keyboard color theme, so you can use it. And friends, you can use your keyboard voice tapping problem will also solve. Click here ringtone. So friends, you can see this type interface, you have your voice tapping problem. So friends, connect Wi-Fi network and you can use your keyboard voice tapping. After connect Wi-Fi network and mobile data, you can use keyboard voice tapping without any problem guys. So like that friends, we can solve keyboard voice tapping problem. Connect Wi-Fi network. After connect Wi-Fi network friends, voice tapping problem will solve. Friends, again click here, give permission, ringtone. So like that friends, you can type here. Adaptive brightness. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set up keyboard setting, how to fix keyboard problem in Lava mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Bye.